Recently, it was announced that President Obama nominated the first Muslim American to be a federal judge.
Aw, shuck it, duck it now!
This is a really important step into improving equality within the justice system in the United States. For those of you who don't know, and I'm sure most of you do if you're watching this channel, the criminal justice system is very, very unequal.
No shit.
In terms of how it proceeds in terms of giving justice, and also in the terms of how harsh the justice is. To give us an example, we're going to look at the specific case of how Black Americans work within the justice system and what it's like to be Black in the justice system. And it's not a very good experience. We've had many situations where Black people do not get justice when they are killed, whenever there are police officers who shoot them. The prosecutors are friends with the police officers, and therefore they're not going to convict someone that they know very well or that they're friends with. And therefore we have situations such as Freddie Gray, where apparently it was a homicide, but no one committed the crime.
Man, this is some bullshit!
And the second part of this is that most of the people within the criminal justice system delivering the justice are white. People who are judges, people who are lawyers, people on the juries, and this has very little to do with the fact that more white people get education or whatever. Actually, it's quite the opposite. The most educated group of Americans right now in this country are Black women, and you can look up all the studies on this, it's just true.
But wait! There's more!
But the problem is workplace discrimination, and discrimination in terms of hiring is what leads white judges to be the most prominent in the criminal justice system.
That's why I prefer!
So President Obama today announced that he was nominating a Muslim American to the criminal justice system, and Muslim Americans have experienced very similar situations where they are treated very harshly in the criminal justice system. Qureshi, sorry if I mispronounced his name, is someone who is very qualified. He graduated from Harvard Law, which is more qualified than probably most of us could say, and he's been focusing specifically on fraud in terms of the medical place, and this is something that's very important. I think that it could be a step towards improving racial equality within the justice system in terms of giving justice. Now, do I have a lot of faith that the justice system will get much better in terms of its treatment of people of color? No. It's like when we say that they're Black police officers, but they are trained basically to kill their own people. Black police officers are told to racially profile.
What the fuck?
And that is still a problem. There's still many, many problems left in the criminal justice system, such as the private prison system, etc. But I applaud President Obama for this, and this is something that I think could lead to a lot of equality. Now, in before all the backlash from conservatives,
you're in my house now, bitch!
thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and share it with your friends if you think you'll enjoy it too. And I'll see you tomorrow. We're running for election in Florida, and what Donald Trump did was he donated from the Donald J. Trump Foundation $25